Good morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Martins Bamidele, as you all know, and our musical tip today, we're going to be talking about a topic called performance directions in music. Like I wrote here on the board, many words in music are not written in English, but they are written in Italian language. So performance direction helps to interpret, express, and communicate with the musician or listener, hence passing the information to them very effectively rather. So we're going to be going into these names in music. Before I go on further, let me just explain. I remember when I was in school, we took out a whole year to study the Italian language, because in the history of music, music started from the church, and the first church in the world is the Roman Catholic Church. So all their musical terminology was done in Italian, not English. So I'm going to be taking you through some of these Italian words and their meaning. This is just the first phase. We're going to go to like maybe 3 or 4 phases. They have a lot of words in Italian with their meaning. So we're going to be starting with this one. This very first one called accelerando. From the word accelerate, it means if you see this on a piece of music, from this time henceforth, from the time you see accelerando, you should play the music, let it gradually be getting quicker. It means gradually getting quicker. Whenever I see accelerando in any music piece, it means gradually getting quicker. If you see a word called adagio, it's always put at the inception of the music before the music starts. It means this particular piece, you should play it slow. It's not fast, it's virtually slow. When you see allegretto in music, it means play this music fairly quick. If you see allegro in music, it means play this music literally quick. If you see andante in music, it means this music is mid-tempo. It's not too fast, it's not too slow. You should be playing medium or mid-tempo. If you see crescendo in music, maybe I'm playing a piece of music and I immediately see crescendo. It tells me that I should make the music to get gradually getting louder. Because music was written in piano, and in performance of piano, everything depends on the performance direction. You may start with pianissimo, which is very slow, but you may suddenly see crescendo. That means instead of playing it very slow, you should play it louder. Let it be getting gradually louder. That is what crescendo means. You always see this in music. It's called da capo. It means they always write DC. What it means is that you should play the music from the beginning. Let's say a tune is giving you maybe you now see DC. It means you should repeat it. Go back to the beginning again and play the same tune. That is what DC means. If you see dal segno or DS, it means you should play the music from where the sign starts. DS. You always see this in music. There's a word called fine in Italian. It means the music has ended. The music has to stop at that level. There's a word called forte in music. It indicates that this music you're about to play, you should play it loud. Not fairly smooth, not low. It should be played loud. Forte means loud. You can see something they call legato in music. Means you should play this music smoothly. It should be smooth. The last one we're going to be dealing with is decrescendo. That means this piece of music that you see, as from the point that you see decrescendo, should be played. You should be playing it gradually, getting quieter. It's like diminuendo. You've been playing very loud before. Gradually play this music. Gradually be getting quieter. Gradually. That's what it means. Decrescendo. And that's all we have for you today. See you in the next video. We still have more to give you. Thank you so much.